Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre,
and we're going to open some
Pokemon and One Piece.
One Piece card and
Pokemon,
the new one, Journey
together.
Together. So we have 5 Pokemon and 1, 2, 3, 4 One Piece EB02. Lapit ka dito, hindi ka kita. Okay. Lapit ka pa.
We're gonna pick first.
Okay. Ayan, para kita. Ayan, One Piece muna.
Ito.
Okay.
That's your pack, and this is mine.
Buksan ko na parang ito nahirapan. That's your pack, this is my pack.
Fat guy. Red fat guy. Usopp. Crying blood. Cowboy. Chopper. Tony Chopper.
Si Brook.
Brook slashes whatever that guy is. Happy ending.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, what does this mean?
I don't know. Sa akin ito. This one. Di ko ulit ito mga to. Ay.
2000 Sunny.
And, alright, meron akong, waifu card. Again, ikaw naman.
Wait, let's search what this white card means.
Yeah, ma'am, bukas na yan.
Is it the hit?
I don't think so.
Hey, Venom guy. Cowboy again.
Puro cowboy eh.
Pink hair getting smashed by Tony Chopper. This thing.
The
The fake one.
fake straw hats.
We call them two-piece. Noah Sorrow.
Ganda natin na yan. Okay. My turn. Last pack magic
Put the thing you think which is ahead.
Oh, simple dyan. Oh, hindi na kinuha ko ah. Ito bago. And nya.
No, we still don't know what their work of.
Wala tayong nakuhang maganda.
Hindi, ata makanda yun.
I don't consider them as hits. Okay, time for the Pokemon. Get 3, I get 2. Okay, itong dalawa. Ikaw mauna. We bought this in 7-Eleven because wala ang Toy R Us, wala ang In The Zone, wala ang Maxsoft, wala ang Data Blitz or Pixel Play, wala ang Toy Kingdom, wala ang mahal naman sobra pag bumili kami sa ibang online. So, we bought this at SRP at 7-Eleven.
Hop Yuka-D.
First pack ni Andre.
Hey!
Wait lang.
Improvements. You see the trainer. Now you see the trainer, which is kind of cool.
Okay, that's good.
Hop
Pag wala nang iba.
Lucky D.
Saan iba?
SB Clink.
Meron nga.
Nibel.
Ba't yun wala?
Labitar. Weezing. Barryson. Hop Choice Belt. Reversalo Bleeper. Reversalo Edo Wattrel. Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, ikaw ulit.
Meow, meow.
Kasi, oh, and energy card. Kaya mo?
They did some improvement. Wait,
Ano yung ano sa Team Rocket?
ah,
Ano sa Team Rocket?
saan na Team Rocket?
Wala pa, palabas pa lang. We're opening these cards because Andre jumped in the cliff diving kanina sa Batangas.
And I'm still kinda scared. So we got a Remy Moid, Carablas, Clayduman, Toricto, Lingat, Hopbog, super cool Pangoro. This is kinda cool.
Okay, na.
Grimiseo, aka long hair. Magma, Reversalo Magmar, Reversalo Drampa.
And, oh,
It's kinda cool.
Reshiram.
And Reshiram.
as the rare. Okay, my turn, my first pack.
Reshiram
Against Andre's 3 packs. Oh, wait. Yep.
Yippee, yippee, yay, yay, yippee, yippee, yay.
Huwag mo nun eh. Kasi, ano na, madaling araw na. It's, oh, lobat na pala. Sa ba ako? Mr. Mime. Redeemable ticket. Spiky Energy. Oops, sorry. Accelegor. Reversal Downwall. Reversalo Oricario and Magmortar. Hindi ko lang malaman na nag-evolve siya ng Magmar. And energy. Okay.
Is this a legendary?
Reshiram, di... Teka lang, di ko rin alam eh. Legendary ba si Reshiram?
It's what?
I don't know eh.
I did it.
Okay, good. Ito, isa no. Last pack ni Andre. Opening 5 booster pack of Journey Together. Bought in 7-Eleven. Inanting pa namin sa 7-Eleven yan. Kahirapan.
Remy Moid, we have another Remy Moid, a piece. Another Carablas or a Claydo person.
Ang ganda niyan ah.
Clelon.
Dapat mo
Wait,
parang-
is it Rainbow here?
No, wala lang.
Torcrit.
Torchic.
Hey! Articero, a legendary.
Articuno.
Legendary.
Articuno yan.
Legendary, guys. Legendary. Postwick. Cult. Crab. Reversalo Dance Hero.
Ganda.
Reversalo Rock Drop.
Cute. And,
Amelio EX.
nice.
And
Very nice, very nice.
and energy.
Okay, lagyan natin sa ating sleeve. Saan yung dala kong sleeve ah? Nasaan na yung perfect fit? The
I
Cake Pokemon. Andre's first hit from the Journey Together set.
And I think this is kinda rare because it's a legendary bluebird. It's just this
Ah.
thing.
Okay, last pack magic for me. I switched 1-0 from One Piece until Pokemon. Si Andre ang lamang. Sana. 8 packs. Okay, this is my last pack and the last pack as we open Journey Together. First time opening Journey
So
Together.
this is what the hit looks like.
Ano nga bang nandito sa set na to? Hindi ko nga alam.
Why did they make it more cuter, by the way?
Hindi, matagal na yan. Talagang, I don't know kung if may ibang ganyan na sa ibang set. Okay, last pack magic. Journey Together, Scarlet and Violet. Journey Together. Excited kami sa Team Rocket. Okay. Okay. Waterel. Squabability. Ano?
Squability.
Squabability. Clank. Ferret. Levincia. Ano?
Oink, oink.
Oinkologne. Oinkologne.
Oink, oink.
Pambira to. Oh. Banets. Reversalo Durant. Reversalo Ants Castle. And mababawi ba ako? Should we open it or should we keep it sealed?
Oh no, oh no.
Well, I like Butterfree, so it's still a win. Not a hit, but still a win.
We have a win here.
Anyway, it's a cute Butterfree.
Now
Okay.
we know what. Where's the trainer?
Wala
Wait,
nga, wala
Is
lahat,
the
no?
trainer one? Year one for commons?
Maybe, I don't know eh. Parang ano yan, jungle. Or, anong ba tawag dun sa ano yun? I forgot. Anyway, that's for it. That's for the video.
Why
Again,
is it
wait
super
lang.
muscle?
We opened 5 booster pack of Journey Together. We opened some, ayun, nandun pala yung isang ano. We opened some Anime 25th collection of One Piece, EB02, and we opened some Beyblade din. Kanina lang dumating fresh from Japan.
Wait, Japan?
Yeah, Japan. So I'm
That's
Michael.
why it's so different.
I'm Michael.
Look so muscly.
I'm Michael.
Andre.
Bye bye.
Wala,